Dog puke fungus. That's what this is called. Look at that. Dog puke fungus. It's a whole new world, fungus. Most folks never have a look at it. This only lasts just a few hours and then it's gone. But look at my squashes right here. It's absolutely harmless, dog puke fungus. And look at the radishes and stuff growing right through it. It's absolutely harmless. Dog puke fungus. Yep, it's interesting to see. I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna look up the Latin name. I only know the common name. But dog puke fungus, this is it. Let's get right in there and see what we can do with a close-up. Look at that. Dog puke fungus.